We are here in the zucchini patch looking around, and I've been having troubles with things rotting on the vine before they even open. So at first I thought it was a pollination issue, but if they're not even opening, it can't be pollination. So see this little guy? He looks nice. But there's other one, and this little guy looks nice. But I just plucked off 4 or 5 that looked very sad. So, since I don't think it's pollination, because it's rotting off before the flower even opens, we are gonna try some calcium. All right, this is what I'm using. Yes, it has tomatoes on it, but it's also good for any, for peppers, melons, anything on a vine that can get what they call blossom end rot, where the fruit starts to rot out starting at the flower. So we're gonna take 2 gallons of water with 2 ounces of this and spray it on the leaves, and hopefully that will solve our problem. All right, now that we're all mixed up, and it was 2 ounces per 1 gallon. So I have 2 gallons of water here and 4 ounces of the rot stop in my nice little sprayer. Turn it on, and then we're just going to coat the leaves. You want to coat them until they're dripping off wet, and then the plant absorbs the calcium through the leaves. So we're going to continue on. And see that little fruit right there? We want that little fruit to grow and not rot off. I'm so sad. I've thrown away at least a dozen zucchini in the last 2 weeks. Driving me crazy. All right, so I'm gonna spray all these down, get them nice and wet, and then I will do another video and let you know how it works. So if you like to garden and you want to come and play in the dirt with me, you can feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Happy gardening.